All right, y'all boys. So today we're gonna be doing a water gun fight versus me and my brother. So like we can go downstairs or upstairs or in the back or in this or right here. So we're gonna do 5 rounds. If you get shot, you're out.
But what if I miss it?
And if you missed it, then we're not out. But you gotta hit him.
Okay.
You gotta hit me. So like we're gonna do 5 rounds, and whoever wins all the the most rounds is the winner. So let's start the game. All right, you gotta go hide. There you go. So look, I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna go back here, and I got my ammo. Yo, it's a lot of sticky birds back here, but it's a lot of spiders. Nah, I'm gonna go somewhere else. All right, we gotta hide. We gotta find each other. Let me see if I can see him. If I see this man. Where is he at? Oh, I guess he's upstairs. I think he's upstairs. I'm gonna go upstairs. Where is he? Is he upstairs? Oh, I think I know he. I think he's in there. Oh, I see him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna get that jit. Oh, I see you. Oh, I missed. He's down over there by the mailbox. I gotta go get him. Oh, I see him. Get that boy. Hit. You're hit. Hit. You hit. I got you. I hit you. You out. All right. I guess I won that round. All right. I won that round.
But I shot you.
They didn't. That's 1-0. All right. Let the second round begin. All right. Gotta go. Oh snap! I missed. All right. Where is he at? Oh, he probably in the back. I'm gonna go sneak in the back. No, I'm gonna go through the other way. No. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna shoot that boy. I see him. I know he back here. I got him. Be quiet. I see him. Where are you? Where's he at? Oh, he got me. Dang, he got me.
I think they cleaned the garbage can because it don't smell sick.
Then we got an Orby. I got shot.
I got an Orby.
I got shot. So it's 1-1, and we got 3 more rounds to go. So he won that round, and I won the first round. So let the new round begin. Let's go. Oh yeah. Got you. I hit him. Hold on, that one don't count. We gotta go hide. All right, let's go hide. All right, I'm hiding in this spot. All right, now. Watch it. Oh, God. He coming this way. Got him. Did I get you? I didn't get him. I'm coming for you, boy. Come on. Don't run. Oh, yeah. Where's the man at? Whew. Where's he at? Oh, I hear something. I got you.
I got you too.
I got you.
I got
You missed. I ain't here. I ain't feeling that. All right, y'all. I won that one. It's 1-2. We got 2 more rounds. And let's try to get it. All right. You ready? Come on.
Yeah.
It's the last round. It's the last round. I see him. Wish I had a sniper. I don't think I need more ammo. Oh, he's going over there. Look at this, a bee? Yo, it's a bee. That's a fly. It's... He just... Well, I can't shoot you. Can't shoot you from all the way over there. I'm coming. Don't run. Hey, he trying to run. He trying to run. He trying to run. He trying to... He tried to shot me. I'm gonna get that boy. I'm gonna get that boy. Come here. What you wanna do? 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 I got it on you. You missed. I heard it. It went right there. Chip. Get. Got him. I got him. I got you. You out. One more round. Let's go. Let's go. Light that boy up. I'm gonna hide over here. Where's he at? To get upstairs. I'm gonna look upstairs real quick. Ow. Where is he? He gotta be up here. But he can't be. Where's this man at? Oh, sticky birds. Alright, let's go. Oh, I see him. I see him. I can't go back there. I'm gonna sneak on that boy. Oh, there he is. What you wanna do? What he wanna do? Got you. I got you. I hit you. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh, water bottle. My ammo. I dropped my ammo. I don't care. Come here, boy. I'm running out of ammo. I got you. That hit you. I already know. Got you. I hit you. I seen it. I see y'all, boy. I got you. All right, y'all boys. We done. I guess.
Pick it up and let's do it.
Hold on.
Let's do it like something.
The winner of the game was me. I won all the rounds. So, I gotta know who the winner is.
Let's do kick.
He sucks.
Just shut up.
And I'm the winner. So everybody, Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Subscribe to us so we can hit 200. Well, all right. Oh yeah, boys. Bye.
Bye.